So guys, today I'll be showing you how to make an Afrobeat like Flavour. So without any waste of time, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so my tempo is set on 100 bpm. So today we're gonna do like things a little different. So I'm gonna start with drums today because I have this drum in my head, so I just wanna like play that, you know. So yeah, let's add drums. So right now I'm gonna add this sound. It's a sound from hypersonic. So right now guys, we're gonna add some bells. I just feel like bells would be good for this beat, so we're gonna add bells. Yeah, so now guys, I'm gonna add bass. After I bass, then we're gonna see what we're gonna add later and later and later on, right? So yeah, let me just add bass. Okay, now we're gonna add strings. We're gonna put some strings just to back up the sound, you know, so that we can bring the whole sound together. So we're gonna add strings. Okay guys, so now we're gonna add keys. Like you see how I'm gonna play them, so we're gonna add keys right now just to give the beat the vibe, you know. So because we are lacking the vibe, so let's just put the vibe right here. I'm gonna use the sound from Purity. This way the sound is on piano. It's a pretty suitcase, so we're gonna use that. Yeah, that's the beat, guys. That's the beat. So let me see what can I add next just to give it the vibe. Yeah, let me just try to add again. I don't know how it's gonna sound like, but we'll see. Yeah, so let me see what else can I add just to give it the vibe, Yana. Let me just see what can I add. Let me see, or maybe another organ. Yeah guys, yeah, so that's the beat. Okay, the beat is fire, but now we are lacking one thing. We need shakers, bro. It's an Afrobeat, like, you know, we need to put the vibe right there, so we need some shakers. So I went on ahead and I added like an acoustic guitar sound. So this is how it sounds like. So let's just play the whole beat and see how it's gonna sound like, everything put on together. So it sounds like this.